Hey guys, today we are going to see how we can actually change the user type. So let me go to system admin here and let me go to user. So currently I'm logged in as admin here. So now when I will open my user, so you see I cannot change the person type here. Even if I will go to maintain version here, you could see currently my user is set to never expire. So let me create a new, let me try to change this one and so if I will do save, let me save this one. So if you see here again, the date has been shifted to 2154 here. So the trick here is you delete all these records here and now come back, do a refresh from here. Now once you refresh, then you could easily change your person and you can attach the person, like let's say for example here, let me add this user. So in this way you could change the person here, and here also you could change your default legal entity in D365. So let me switch it to USML. So this was a short quick video to just demo how we could change the person type for a user. Thank you.